Kapil Sharma is the king of comedy and nobody can replace him. After Colors Channel replaced Comedy Nights with Kapil with Comedy Nights Live with Krishna, their first episode received a lot of flack from the fans across the country. The viewers and fans are disappointed because Krishna mocked Kapil on the first episode, and soon fans took to social media to criticize Krishna and the Comedy Nights Live. They've copied the entire show. Its format, the background music, set and style is the same, and it's a repackage of Comedy Nights with Kapil. Sidhu Paji has been replaced by Mika Singh. Well, Kapil was sorely missed along with his team. Maybe it is the desperation to fit in Krishna in Kapil's shoes or drag him down. Krishna has failed to do anything. Katrina Kaif has had a breakup and her heart is aching. But it is Salman Khan, her true close friend, who's giving surprises to the lady to keep her happy. Yes, Salman Khan is ensuring that Katrina is all happy and smiling by giving her a surprise. Earlier, he appreciated Katrina and praised her, and now he visited Katrina Kaif on the sets of Comedy Nights Live, where Katrina, along with her Fitoor co-star Aditya Kapoor, has gone to the shoot for film promotion. Salman gave her a surprise visit. Kat was so happy to have Salman Khan. Even Aditya Roy Kapoor was happy, and the cast and crew of Comedy Nights Live were elated to have Salman Bhaijan on the sets. Surely Salman Khan is keeping an eye on Katrina to ensure she's keeping up well post the breakup. Well, Bollywood meets Hollywood seems to be the name of the game right now. Yes, for those who are in touch with the latest news, they would surely know that Deepika is the next in the Hollywood bandwagon. After Priyanka's amazing take on Quantico, it was but obvious that another diva would hit it big too. But we did not expect it to happen so soon. So the best is waiting to happen with the Piku of Bollywood. But as our Mastani weaves her way through to Canada, we did see so many of her workout videos, all a great way of enhancing her already swelled body. Vin Diesel, who has already met Priyanka, would now get a taste of our Filmistan's talents and would know why Bollywood is so creative and happening, what say. Deepika, meanwhile, has been really busy with her other movies, her award shows and her activities, but has now finally left for Canada where she would show her other talents, what say. Whoa, did you know that the king of Bollywood actually did kiss someone on screen? Is that so? Bilkul. Apparently, on the shoot of Dilwale in the last added Tukur Tukur song, they were practicing a step where our Rais had to kiss the diva on her cheek. But hey presto, what is this? It was planted right on the lips. Well, almost, and isn't it a wonderful feel for all SRK Kajol fans? Well, chillax, for it was just a mistake, and the scoop videos show Kajol being apologetic about it and SRK also blushing in embarrassment. The long-time DDLJ Jodi has always been a fave pair in Filmistan, and if they really have kissed, then it is worth every bit of paisa vasool scenes that the fans would have longed for. However, it was just a slip and the peck on the cheek almost landed on the lips. Exciting, hai na? Kapil Sharma is sorely missed on the weekend, and Colors Channel will not accept this, but Comedy Nights Live first episode didn't catch the attention of the audience well. It received a lot of flack and criticism, and most important, Krishna Abhishek shouldn't have taken a dig at Kapil, as his loyal fan following blasted Krishna for that on social media sites. Now the inside cover is Kapil Sharma soon will be back on television where he's the king of comedy. Yes, he will be doing a show with Sony, though it was speculated with Star TV, but it seems Sony has got him for sure. And the news is that the show will be called Comedy Style. We say that it is superb style of Kapil to get back on colors. After all, the war is on. Kapil is back with Dadi, Guthi and Palak. Salman Khan surely remembers the Thappad Ki Goonj when he was boycotted last year by Photographers Association for manhandling a photographer. Salman Khan is a man when spotted, creates frenzy and a lot of crowd easily. Fans and photographers want to grab Salman, and surely the bodyguards at times have to manhandle things to save their bhaijan. Salman Khan recently spent time with Suzanne and Preity Zinta. He was mobbed outside the Bandra Olive Bar while he dropped the ladies till their car. But things turned really crazy as photographers and fans was turning into a mob. His bodyguard had to shove people for the star, but Salman didn't like this and in turn he slapped his bodyguard. And then he turned to the cameraman and told him that he needs some privacy and he shouldn't follow him every evening. The way the star handled the situation is commendable. After this, he walked into Baba Diwan's house for a social round. King of Bollywood is facing mutiny these days. After his intolerance remark, he had to bear a lot of brunt from the public as well as many organizations too. Political parties have kind of made him an agenda and they are ensuring that people do not forget this India intolerance remark. This definitely led to loss for his film Dilwale, and now it seems the same thing is happening with his film Raees. Shah Rukh Khan, who's shooting for the film Raees in Bhuj, is now facing wraths of Vishwa Hindu Parishad VHP activists demanding that he stop shooting his film there. The police have rather helped the actor by keeping these activists under control, who have burned his posters and all in front of collector's office for giving him the permission to shoot in Bhuj. It seems SRK is being haunted by the intolerance remark ghost. Anushka Sharma is definitely on cloud 9 as she bagged Yash Raj film Sultan opposite Salman Khan. This has not gone down well with Virat Kohli as he proposed marriage in 2016, but Anushka said a no. She wants to concentrate on her career right now and doesn't want to get married. Also, she has portions of Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil to Finish, which has Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in the lead. Virat wants to commit, but Anushka has her career to be a top priority. Virat has also unfollowed Anushka from his Instagram account, and that says a lot. Speculations of rift in their relationship is high. Anushka ditching Virat for Salman Khan and Sultan film will definitely affect their relationship, and could this mean a breakup? Well, many celebs have headed for split and we just hope this couple reconciles and stays together. Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif have made some Valentine plans. They've been coming close post Katrina's breakup with Ranbir Kapoor. When Katrina visited Salman on Bigg Boss 9 finale episode to promote her film Fitoor, Salman mentioned something about Valentine. Well, indeed, these two have made Valentine plans. Well, not together, but for their fans. Fitoor is releasing on 12th of February, in which Katrina and Aditya Roy Kapoor are showcasing an intense love story. Salman Khan is coming to your small screen with world television premiere of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Prem Ratan Dhan Payo has Salman Khan playing a cute Prem and showcasing his love for Sonam Kapoor in the film. What more could fans of Salman Khan and Katrina ask for in the month of February, the month of love? And it is a fantastic Valentine plan, isn't it? Deepika is a very humble and modest person, and it comes from her roots. When Deepika received the Best Actress award in Filmfare for the film Piku, where she plays the role of a daughter to an ailing father, Deepika took out a letter from her father, which was her speech at the Filmfare Awards. The speech and how she shared it was very touching. Deepika cried on the stage, and it shows that she's the top actress of Bollywood, but first she's the daughter of her father. She's just another daddy's little baby. Deepika's father Prakash Padukone said that she's a leading actress, but to them she's their daughter first. It is a heartwarming letter, and the advice in it was so genuine and beautiful. Well, when it comes to movies and parties, Bollywood certainly tops the list. Look at this promo of Kapoor and Sons, the upcoming Siddharth Alia movie, which also has the Pakistani talent Fawad Khan in tow. With everyone in the pic seems to have fun, we feel we can also be a part of their celebration eventually when it is released in the theatres. So this is the party we are talking about, and we still don't know who's going to host it. We just assume that the happening couple Siddharth and Alia are throwing it in the flick. Anyway, even Fawad Khan is seen having fun, and we look forward to seeing this Pakistani dude belt it out, but say. So we are in again for another Student of the Year kind of experience maybe. Till then, enjoy this poster.